It's the Indonesian way of saying rest in peace. Juhaina lost her baby daughter only weeks ago. She is one of over 150 children in Indonesia who died of acute kidney injury. The 9-month-old baby was prescribed paracetamol syrup by a public health clinic to treat her cough. But soon after that, Shaquina could no longer urinate.
Despite the dialysis, her health was declining. She was put on a ventilator, but her pulse was getting weak. On Friday at 4 a.m. at dawn, Shaquina passed away. I was shocked. In the beginning, she only had a cold. How did it get to this? In just a matter of weeks, less than 2 weeks.
The likely cause of death is a tainted cough syrup. Indonesia's Food and Drug Monitoring Agency, FDA, says they found unacceptable amounts of lethal chemicals normally used in the production of paints in the medicine. The syrup has since been banned from pharmacies across the country, and the FDA is considering launching criminal actions against 2 Indonesian pharmaceutical firms. The debate, however, who is to be held responsible has only started.
Pengawasan atau regular inspection.
If the FDA had effectively carried out regular inspections, they should have detected these tainted products. They should have realized that they don't meet the standards. That is the big question here. Why is the lab test done after there are fatalities?
Dengan regular inspection kan Badan POM kan tinggal mempublish.
The number of unreported cases is likely to increase the death toll further. The Indonesian police has established a special team to investigate the tragic string of deaths, most of them involving children under 5.
Allah lebih sayang sama Dede. Dede kan udah nggak sakit lagi, udah.
God loves Shaquina more. Shaquina is no longer sick. You are happier in heaven. Heaven gained an angel. Your mom is fine here. May Shaquina rest in peace by God's side.
Umi di sini nggak apa-apa, baik-baik aja. Semoga Dede tenang di sana.
Juhaina is just glad that now there is an antidote available for other children with symptoms who are yet to be diagnosed. Thousands of syrup bottles are still kept in households across Indonesia.